Shieldplus from Panaz is a totally unique, long-lasting and effective technology. Traditional leaching or migrating antimicrobials such as silver, copper and zinc are inorganic antimicrobials that literally leach from the treated surface and are consumed by the microbes, thus chemically poisoning them. But leaching antimicrobials have some inherent disadvantages. Firstly, they take some time to work against the microbe. Some may take 30 minutes whilst others can take hours. Secondly, their effectiveness reduces over time as the antimicrobial is used up, either through chemically poisoning microbes or through washing and humid conditions. This may result in microbes receiving a depleted dose, that is to say, not enough for the antimicrobial to be effective. This in turn may allow them to adapt and acquire immunity, a major concern for the 21st century. The use of inorganic leaching antimicrobials such as silver, including nanosilver, has been shown to have a detrimental impact on the environment and to induce a toxic response in mammalian cells, with associated implications for human health. Shieldplus, however, is a new non-leaching antimicrobial technology. A surface treated with Shieldplus acts like a magnet, attracting the microbes onto the treated surface. When the bacterium cell comes into contact with the Shieldplus surface, it's ruptured and the biochemicals within are electrocuted, killing the microbe. This mechanical or physical action, as opposed to chemical poisoning, provides real benefits. Non-leaching antimicrobials are effective immediately upon contact, and the technology has proven effective against the broadest spectrum of microbes. In addition, it stays effective on the surface for up to 90 days. Consequently, non-leaching antimicrobials have never been shown to cause adaptation. The Panaz range of topical treatments offers the most advanced, safe and long-term protection, essential for any locations and any situation that demands the highest standards of hygiene. For new or newly cleaned upholstery or hard surface, use Spray Shieldplus Protect. It creates an invisible protective layer, delivering a unique antimicrobial barrier that kills microbes immediately on contact for up to 90 days, and has never been shown to allow adaptation, resistance, mutation or migration. This exceptional chemistry is also available as Shieldplus Laundry, a wash-in treatment that brings the benefits of Protect to the washing cycle with an integral fabric conditioner. Shieldplus Laundry infuses towels and bedding with long-lasting antimicrobial properties, which have demonstrated such benefits as reduced infection, which aids in the control of bed sores. And as Panaz Shieldplus is water-based, it doesn't contain heavy metals. There's no methanol, arsenic, polychlorinated phenols or formaldehyde, and it has been exhaustively tested for cytotoxicity. Moreover, it lacks the strong odour of other products, ensuring it is more pleasant to use. For further information or supporting certification, don't hesitate to contact Panaz at info@panaz.co.uk.